In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the most gracious, the most merciful. All of us have certain complaints about towards our children, our spouses, our subordinates, even we ourselves. Having complaints against all the people we are regularly interacting with. And we do have complaints against we ourselves as well. We are happy and proud of certain qualities of ourselves and that of our close people. Simultaneously, we do have certain complaints as well as certain good good things about ourselves and the people closer to us. We like certain habits of ourselves and dislike certain other habits of ourselves as well. We do like certain habits of our close people and dislike certain other habits of our close people as well. Now, many of us are focused upon the bad qualities, the bad habits of we ourselves as well as the people who are very close to us and even the rest of the people. What to do then? These good qualities, bad qualities, many of the people become focused upon their bad qualities, upon their bad habits, upon their bad results. Many of the people focus upon this thing. They keep thinking about this, they keep repeating it, they keep telling this thing again and again to themselves and even to the people against whom we do have certain complaints. The purpose of this is that it will bring improvements by repeatedly telling the bad qualities and the bad habits to the people and to we ourselves, we will be able to eradicate it. We will be able to bring the improvements and we will be able to motivate ourselves for the better performance. But the truth is that it does not improve our performance. It does not bring the good results. It does not change our habits. It does not change our attitudes. The truth is that it does not change anything else at all. It only it only creates the frustrations. It only creates the frustration, and the frustration is something which is really counterproductive and not productive at all. So, if at all we are sincere with bringing the changes, the improvements, the good qualities, the good habits, the good attitudes in ourselves, I think that we need to get rid of. We need to get rid of this severe criticism, this nagging on a constant basis, and we need to appreciate ourselves. We need to appreciate all the people we want to see performing better. Appreciation is far more necessary as compared to the criticism, as compared to the nagging, as compared to the fault finding. Fault finding, in a certain way, it is definitely a contributory factor, but excessively relying upon it is definitely something which will destroy all what we are looking for, all the kind of results we are desirous of gaining. So I am of the view that we should minimize the factor, the criticism and the constant nagging, and we need to employ the appreciation technique. It is far more effective as compared to the constant nagging, as compared to the criticism. Thank you.